Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are trying the MAKARTT Nude Polygel kit. So let's just open this right up and let me show you everything that you get. So the first thing that you get are the instructions. Then you get some dual forms, some nail forms, a 100 and 180 grit hand file, a polygel brush, base coat and top coat, some slip solution, and you get the polygels. So here are all the polygels you get. You get 6 different ones. So here are all the colors you get. I really like them. I think they can go with many different skin tones, so I just like the variety in this kit. So let's just get right into this nail set. Okay, so here are my natural nails. We're just going to start off with the nail prep. I'm just going to be pushing back the cuticles. My nails are already kind of prepped because I've been doing a lot of nail sets, so I'm not really doing extreme nail prep. Like, this is just kind of to clean up a little bit. And I'm going to use this circular cuticle drill bit, and I'm just going to work that around the cuticle area. Then I'm going in with my cuticle scissors and I'm going to trim off that excess dead skin. Now I'm going to take my nail clippers and just remove the excess nail growth. And then I'm going to smooth that out with my hand file. Now I'm going to take my sanding band and I'm just going to remove the shine from the nails, but I'm going to be very gentle because I don't really need to do this step because I'm putting on that protective base. So I'm just mostly working this sanding band around my cuticle area, and then I'm just going to lightly scratch over the surface of the nails. Now I'm going to add this protective base. I just add some cuticle oil to my nails and then I rub that in. And then I just add top coat over that. This helps the nails pop off really easily, so don't do this if you want your nails to last. But since I do so many nail sets, this has been really helpful. Okay, now I'm going to be using these extra long nail tips. I haven't used these nail tips in so long, but I have missed them. You can do so much with these nail tips because they don't have that harsh C-curve, so you can make them any shape you want. The not polished nail tips, they have a really harsh C-curve, so you can't really do much with them. Like, you can only kind of keep them the shape they are. You can make these nail tips any shape you want, so I really love these. Okay, so here are the nail tips on. They are looking very long. So now I'm just going to take my tip cutters and cut these nails down to the length that I want. So now I'm just going to reshape these nail tips. They kind of do need to be shaped kind of a lot because they're a little bit out of shape. And here are how they look. This is the best I could do because I didn't want them to pop off because of that peel off base coat I added, so I was very gentle. So next I'm just going to remove the shine from all the nail tips. And then I'm going to be adding on some base coat. Okay, so now we're just going to get into the polygel. I'm going to be using this Pretty Please color. You guys have seen me use this color in some of my other videos. So we're just going to use this color today. I'm just making all the nails this full nude color, but I am going to be adding on some nail art. So I'm just starting with a bead of this polygel at the tip of my nails, and then I'm just going to smooth that out. But for this nail set, I'm going to be using 2 beads most of the time. I think on the middle finger, I just did 1 bead, but that's because I put too much. But anyway. As you can see, I didn't fully reach the cuticle with the amount of polygel I put, so yeah, I'm gonna go in with the second bead of polygel. And I'm just gonna let you know, at the end of this video, I completely ran out of this color, so I'm kind of sad now. Okay, so once I have the pointer finger all done, I think it looks so good. So I'm just going to be repeating that same thing on all the nails. So besides the nail set, what did you guys think of the new intro? I think it's really good. I like it. I just wanted to do something more creepy and like eerie. That intro took me kind of a long time to make because I wasn't sure what I wanted. Like, I had an idea, it didn't work out, so now I was stuck because I was like, what do? I don't know the intro. But finally I came up with that and I think it worked out really good, and I don't know, I really like that intro. So I did say that I was going to be reading Reddit stories, creepy Reddit stories, for all my videos in October, but I'm gonna be honest, I only like when my older sister does the creepy Reddit stories. I don't know, I just, something about me reading them, I just don't like it as much. And it's like so hard to find a story that is actually like, you know, kind of interesting. I just think I'm just gonna wait until my older sister can get her nails done and then she'll just read the creepy Reddit stories. And also the giveaways. I had 2 giveaways. I still need to pick the winners. I know, it's been a while. I still need to DM them. Like, I would have announced them in this video, but I still need to like DM them and like tell them that they won, but they have to reply and all that stuff, you know what I mean? So I need to do that. I really loved reading all your guys' comments about like what you're gonna be for Halloween. I just think your guys' costumes are just so fun. Okay, so once all the polygel is applied, I'm going to be reshaping them. I just have my hand file and my MAKARTT dust collector. We're just gonna get reshaping these nails. Luckily, my application was pretty good, so the shaping didn't take that long. So if you guys are interested in this MAKARTT Nude Polygel Kit, the information for it will be in the description. You guys should go check it out. I mentioned this in my last video, but MAKARTT is currently having a Halloween clearance sale, and it lasts up until October 31st, so it's all month the sale's going on, plus an additional 15% off when you use the code nailsbyvic on the MAKARTT website. I definitely recommend this kit. The colors in this kit match so many skin tones, and you know, it's like a staple kit, you know what I mean? Like, you always need a nude polygel. So yeah, the information for it will be in the description. Okay, now we're just gonna get right into the nail art. I have these MAKARTT nail art brushes that I got on Amazon, and the brushes are just so cute with those little tiny crystals in them. And here's our nail inspiration that I'm going to be, doing this nail set based off of. So at first I was gonna use this white gel polish, but then I remembered that I actually bought some gel paint. This is just some Saviland gel paint, and I also forgot to put top coat on the nail before I did the nail art. So I went ahead and did that too. So using this gel paint, it was actually kind of nice. It's a lot thicker than gel polish. I mean, I feel like they're okay. They're both okay. If you have gel polish works fine. And if you have these gel paints, they work fine too. And I'm going to be making these little ghost shapes. This is really easy nail art. So if you wanted like an easy Halloween nail set, this is a really good nail design because it's just quite simple and really easy, and turned out really cute. So I had to do 2 layers of this white gel paint because the first layer was just not thick enough. So I did have to do 2 layers.
No, Harry, no. And it's mainly not because Ash comes about nards, it's because literally like gunshots, people are gonna hear it, that's a lot more evidence, and it seems like they just want to get away with the kid, like they don't want to kill everyone here. He's like, don't shoot, and she reaches the van and
Okay, now I'm going in with that second layer of the white over all the nails. And then I'm just taking some black gel polish and I'm going to be adding on the little ghost faces. Okay, so once all the nail art is done, I'm going to be finishing off this look with some top coat. These nails could have definitely been matte. Now I'm going in with the cuticle oil. And here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set in the comments. I just think they turned out really good. I love the nail shape and the color, and I love the nail art. I just think it's so cute. And the set was so simple. I mean, besides the length, these nails were pretty simple to do. I mean, the only thing that made it take so long was definitely the length. This MAKARTT Polygel kit worked really nicely. MAKARTT Polygel is very good quality as always. So once again, if you guys are interested in this MAKARTT Nude Polygel kit, the information for it will be in the description. That is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked this nail set. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!